The Hieha RV tire pressure monitor combines a large color display with solar charging and an internal rechargeable battery, so it stays powered around the clock without constant plugging in. Its 6 external sensors track both pressure and temperature in real time, giving early warnings for slow leaks, overheating, and other issues that can lead to blowouts on long trips. The monitoring accuracy is impressively tight, with stable readings and quick response to changes, which inspires confidence when towing heavy trailers or driving a fully loaded motorhome. A strong wireless signal allows the sensors to communicate reliably over long recreational vehicle lengths, so owners of fifth wheels and travel trailers do not usually need a separate repeater. The system automatically wakes when the vehicle starts moving and goes to sleep when parked, reducing unnecessary power draw while still being ready whenever you hit the road. Durable, weather-resistant sensor construction helps the system stand up to rain, dust, and road grime, making it a practical long-term solution for frequent travelers.